What's good, YouTube? Guess who it is? Your boy, the Red Tans, or aka T Rod Lots. Y'all know it. I know I'm 2 days behind, but your boy hit 2 years and 4 months. You know what I'm saying? It's been a lot been going on through my lot journey. I just been embracing each and every day. You know what I'm saying? I'm so happy right now to be on my second lot journey. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, the lot's doing good. The tips are blunted, as you can see. I'm loving the character of what my lot's doing. You know, all of my favorite lots in my head. I don't want to just have one particular. They all my favorite lots in my head. I got a lot of stuff in store for y'all. I also got another thread beats unboxing coming in soon. Y'all stay tuned for that video. Thank y'all so much for being watching, for the ones that been watching my video. Appreciate y'all so much. Um, One thing I had to say about YouTube, I had over 1,680 watch hours, right? Um, so what happened was, I believe I didn't hit that 1 year mark, so they YouTube dropped me all the way down. So now it's like I'm starting all the way over, you know what I'm saying? Which I've been like, I'm just gonna do update videos, you know. I'm not worrying about the algorithm. I ain't worrying about this. I'm just doing update videos like I've been doing. So right now, as you can see, this is what I'm doing right now. My lot group is getting big. Right now, we at 6.5 members right now, 6.5K members right now. So yes, my baby girl going to her auntie house, so I can finally make a like update video. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you the product that I do use on my locks. Like I said, thank everybody for being joining my log group on Facebook called Locs Are Us, LOCS space AREUS. You know what I'm saying? Join the boy, join our group. You know, so we're welcome in with open arms. You know, we're a big lot family on the lot community. You know what I'm saying? Um, it just feels good to be back again. You know, on my YouTube channel. I'm making a like update video, you know. So this is 2 years and 4 months like update. You know, so check me out. I got my hair right now like a little small little pony right now, ponytail. But this is my front. Here's my right. I will be doing another lock update next. I say it's set yeah next month in September. I will be getting my hair done um on the 23rd, I believe. Yeah, on the 23rd, I'll be getting my hair done with a retwist. So y'all stay tuned for that. So I went 3 months without a retwist, y'all. I don't really get my hair done like that all the time. But yeah, look, check me out. This is my right view, famous quick 360. You know what I'm saying? Here's my back view. Okay. Here's my left side. Left view. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. This is my front. This is only 2 years and 4 months. No retwist in 3 months. All right. My last retwist was in June. And yeah, I'm loving my lot journey. Y'all see my shirt right here? Say Dreads Are Us. You know what I'm saying? That's the lady that does my hair. That's her shop name. It's called Dreads Are Us. You know, switches locks. You know what I'm saying? Like my group called Lots of Us. Her store, her shop called Dreads Are Us. You know what I'm saying? So a little something similar, you know. But yeah, um, so if you're like in the Midway, Georgia area, I suggest y'all hit up her. Her name is Ashley. Hit up. She go by the name of Blackwood. So hit up y'all. You know what I'm saying? That's my other loctician. My old loctician. You know, she moved. The one that been doing my hair, Toria. She moved back home to Florida, so I had to find somebody else that could do my hair for me. You know what I'm saying? You know, she do good work as well. So yeah, check me out. You know what I'm saying? Check me out. It's front view, front view. I'll show you all together how my hair down. This is my right. Here's my back. Here's my left. And I'll be right back. I'm showing you a lot of products that I do use. All right? Be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Here's my products that I use. As you can see. Alright, so the first product I use is the black Jamaican castor oil. This is the mango papaya. So I told a lady at the hair store, I said, man, I'm trying to grow my beard and stuff out and everything like that. So she said, she's foreign. She's Arab, so uh Arabian. I think that's how you say Arabian. Yeah, she's Arabian. So what she told me, she said, get this. I said, all right, I'm gonna come back to your store if it don't work. So I've been using this, yeah, as you can see. My beard been doing good, you know what I'm saying? Beard been doing good. Um my locks doing good. It smells great. Next product I use is Designed Essential, you know what I'm saying? Damien Watson, he suggests this for everybody that have locks to use. This called the oat protein and henna. You know what I'm saying? So I use this product as well, as you can see. Okay, big bottle. Then I use, y'all remember this old product I still use, the island oil? Look how much in here. So use the island oil. You know, so it still works great. Use this. And finally, I use this is what my loctician made herself. It's some conditioner oil. You know, so I use that too. The lady that does my hair called Loc Dreads Are Us. You know what I'm saying? It's a product. Also, she has her own mask. I can't find it right now. So, um, but yeah, it's all created the same way. You know, it's a black mask that have the same written on it, words on it. You know, Dreads Are Us. So yeah. Um, That's gonna be it. So don't forget, you guys, keep it happy. My favorite motivation quote: keep it happy, keep it nappy, keep it locked. Enjoy the upcoming football season. I am. Um, yeah, stay safe right there. And don't forget, stay tuned for our next update video, which is gonna be the Thread Beats unboxing video. You know what I'm saying? So thank y'all so much for that. Don't forget, check out my group on Lots of Us. Shade Lots from the Haters. I'm out. Peace, one love. Stay locked. Thanks for watching.